Bridges are meant to carry people and vehicles. But in some parts of the world, bridges do something far more extraordinary. They carry ships. Massive vessels floating high above roads, rivers, and entire landscapes, suspended by engineering that looks closer to science fiction than reality. These are the most unbelievable water bridges on Earth. The narrowest ship canal ever built. Corinth Canal, Greece. This canal is only about 25 meters wide. On both sides, sheer rock walls rise nearly 80 meters straight up. Watching massive ships squeeze through feels unsettling, as if there's no room for error. Built to connect the Aegean Sea with the Gulf of Corinth, this canal shortens maritime journeys by more than 180 nautical miles. An idea proposed over 2,000 years ago, it was finally completed in the late 19th century using modern engineering. The only rotating boat lift in the world. Fulker Queel, Scotland. At first glance, it looks like a giant mechanical sculpture. But this structure is actually the world's first and only rotating boat lift. The Fulker Queel raises boats 24 meters into the air, the height of an 8-story building, using a slow, precise rotational motion. Instead of pumping water, the entire system rotates, lifting boats effortlessly between two canals at different heights. Since its opening in 2002, it has become one of the most iconic engineering landmarks in the world. The bridge where ships cross above a highway. Water Bridge, Netherlands. In the Netherlands, a canal doesn't stop for roads. Instead, the road goes underneath the water. This surreal structure allows boats to sail directly over a busy highway while cars pass safely through a tunnel below. From above, it looks impossible, a river flowing across the sky. Every day, tens of thousands of vehicles pass beneath boats sailing calmly overhead. The road that runs through water. Cycling path through a lake, Belgium. Instead of building a bridge over the lake, engineers built a road through it. Cyclists travel along a concrete path positioned just below the waterline. On both sides, water rises higher than eye level, creating the illusion of riding through the middle of the lake. The design preserves wildlife movement while offering a completely unique experience. The bridge that rolls into a circle. Rolling Bridge, England. This bridge doesn't lift or split. It rolls. Made of 8 triangular segments, the bridge curls into a perfect octagonal shape when boats need to pass through. Once the waterway is clear, It slowly unrolls and becomes a flat pedestrian bridge again. A functional structure that behaves like kinetic art. Ships floating in midair. Ponsy Silt Aqueduct, Wales. This aqueduct carries boats across a river valley, suspended nearly 40 meters above the ground. Built in the early 1800s, it remains one of the tallest navigable aqueducts in the world. 19 massive stone arches support a narrow canal where boats appear to glide through the sky. A masterpiece of early industrial engineering. The world's largest modern water bridge. Magdeburg Water Bridge, Germany. This bridge connects to major canals, eliminating a long detour and saving hours of travel. Stretching nearly 1 kilometer in length, it carries ships across a river instead of through it. Constructed from tens of thousands of tons of steel and concrete, it is the largest water bridge ever built. Modern engineering at its absolute peak. These bridges challenge everything we think we know about transportation. They lift ships into the sky, suspend water above highways, and turn impossible ideas into working reality. When engineering pushes past limits, the world begins to look unreal. And yet, these bridges exist.